Curious what the MD journey at BIMS actually looks like? Let's break it down. At BIMS, our Doctor of Medicine program is built on a globally accepted US-based curriculum, and it's designed to do more than just prepare you for exams. It prepares you for real-world medical practice in countries like the US, Canada, Jamaica, India, and the UK. Now here's the cool part. The program runs for 4 years, spans 162 weeks, and packs in 708 credit hours. Let's see how it flows. Years 1 and 2, Basic Sciences. This is where your foundation is built with a system-based approach that blends basic and clinical sciences right from the start. You'll be studying on our Montego Bay campus, clocking in 468 credit hours over 80 weeks, earning 156 credits along the way. Think anatomy, physiology, pathology, but with tech like anatomage tables and hollow anatomy powering your learning. Years 3 and 4, Clinical Sciences. Now it's time to get hands-on. You'll rotate through clinical clerkships in hospitals across Jamaica, the US, the Caribbean, and Asia. Over 82 weeks, you'll earn another 80 credits and 240 credit hours while treating real patients. And here's what makes it all the more exciting. The curriculum is dynamic and student-centered. That means it evolves with the medical world and adapts to give you the best learning experience possible. So if you're dreaming of becoming a doctor with global options and real clinical readiness, your MD journey starts here at BIMS.